Hello, today we are looking at the progress bar as one of the modern controls that has been introduced by the Power Up team. Now, gone are the days where you have to redevelop your own progress bar. The team has now developed a progress bar that will assist you to indicate the progress or how your user is interacting, to be able to know where your user have reached in their interaction with the app. So for instance, if you want to insert the progress bar, you go to the insert, then you go to the modern, then you look for the progress bar. Okay, so I've already clicked on it, and this is the progress bar. Before I continue, when you look at the properties, there are a few ones that I want to note. So we have the progress color, and the progress color shows you where the color of the bar that will be in the progress bar itself, or the progress control. So Power Up team have come up with about three progress bar colors. So one of them is success, another one is brand, another one is warning. So it indicates if you see success is green, and then the branding is a little bit ash, and then the warning is red. So it shows you where you can use any of the colors to be able to indicate where you have reached. Okay, so apart from the progress bar of success, brand, warning, it also has this property called indeterminate. Now let me change it to true. So the determinant means that you have a maximum value that you have given the progress bar that is supposed to reach. So assuming the maximum value is 100, when you reach 20, it means you have reached 20%. By indeterminate means that you don't really have a particular maximum value. So you see that the icon or the progress bar icon will be moving from the beginning to the end as it is being shown on the screen now. So normally, if for the progress, you may want to put it to false, and then based on that you can go to the value or the maximum value, and then you can set it to whatever figure you want to. In this case, I've set it to 100. Then the value is where it has reached. So for instance, the maximum value is 100. By assuming I've reached 20% or 20, then you see that the progress bar will have to move a little bit up. So I see that it has moved about 20% of the whole line. Okay, so to make it dynamic, this is where I have put some formula here, and I'm going to explain how I came about it instead of putting the number. So I have this form which I am going to enter items sold to 200. Let me pick approved location Accra, item, let's say 1. Now what I'm going to do is, when I save this, I want the progress bar to be able to move to 100%. So to do this, on the success of this form, on the success property of this form, I am setting a variable called var bar, and then I'm setting the value to 100. Remember, the maximum value I've given the progress bar is 100. So let me go to the max. It's 100, and then on the value itself of the progress bar, I have given the variable name that I've set on select of the form. So when I save this form and it is successfully saved. The data is successfully saved to the data source. So let me click on it. After it's been successfully saved, you see that it's the progress bar moves to 100. It's complete, telling the user that it has been completely successful in terms of the submission of the data to the data source. To be able to go back, I have done another variable on the select of the new button which I have clicked. So here I have a new, making the form a new form. Then also I'm setting the variable now to 0, meaning I want to do a new entry. So when I click on the new, I have a new form, and you see that the progress bar returns to 0. So with this concept, you can play with it and then use the dynamics values and use it to leverage on your app, and it can be used in a number of ways. This is just the beginning. Thank you very much. I hope this was successful and this was useful to you. Thank you.